All right, I'm going to show you a slightly different interior cabin on deck 12. You have to go down this little walkway. They're kind of in a middle bank between outside interiors, but you'll come down here and we're going to look at cabin 12243. I'll explain it on a diagram afterwards. So it's just a regular cabin, but just in a different kind of area. Same size as all the others, same look. It's just more where it is. But this is a category 4F interior. It's the same 158 square feet they all are. It's got the same power outlets there, as you can see, the 4 USBs and the power there. That ottoman seat, if you lift up the lid, it creates more storage space. Just be aware of that. There is your hair dryer, your TV there. I do like the way in all these new ships they have the TV actually looking at the bed, seemingly. On the older ships, sometimes it's like halfway down the room. On the side of every one of these, they have a night light with a USB port underneath, so you can charge your phone overnight, and there's a little shelf underneath where you can put your phone down or your glasses or whatever you may have, and there's one on either side. You've got your night lights between the bed pillows as well there, which is nice. There is your storage area, your clothing area. Now those wooden shelves will fall down to create more storage for shelving, or you can raise them up to make more hanging space. So there's 3 of these. Often you'll find 4, but this one just has 3. It's going to say 2 on the description when you see it, but it's 1.5 if you know what I mean, because they count that one there with the 2 as 1, and then normally there'd be 4. They would show it as 2 if that all makes sense. And then the bathroom area there, they've got plenty of shelving. There's a little mirror there, a little vanity mirror. And then please note this door opens inwards to outwards, so that if you have that door open, it's very tight with 2 people. And also note they have shower and shower gel, shampoo and shower gel, but they don't typically have conditioner anymore. So yeah, so that is cabin 12243 on Mardi Gras. And just to show you the amenities in there, so you have 158 square feet interior, 2 twin beds that can convert to a king, shower, toilet, sink. You've got your flat screen TV, etc. So you can see all the stuff they have there. It says 2 closets, but again, it's 1 full closet and 1 half closet. I don't know how they describe that as 2 when it's not, but they do. And then don't forget that ottoman seat. If you lift up the lid to the chair, you get more storage area. And as you can see there, it's a little box in the middle. So you walk down that little walkway that we showed you, which is directly in front. You can see opposite from the other cabin. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.